this one right here, we're going to go all the way down. Okay, we got the sunny side done. Now, the dark side of the bush is going to be a little less sunny, so a little less of the light color. So we're doing the same thing, only a little bit more sparsely. Sparsely? I'll have some sparsely on the side, please. There's a little bunch. There we go. And let's take away the blue lines, and I think that'll do it. Alright, let's put another bush right here. And draw these rectangles. Okay, I don't think I have to move that at all. Let's go down to darkest layer. Borrow some color from over here, and make sure we turn on the brush. We're going over to the next bald bush, and we're going to turn on the blue. All right. Oh, wait a minute. I think I had a speech bubble there originally. Okay, it'll be alright, it'll be alright. We got the brush ready, and go. I'm going to make up some of this as I go along. It is an organic shape, right? It's an organic can't get much more organic than a bush, right? Foliage is supposed to be random, so I'm just going to randomly make some splotches. And the bush is in front of this foot, so you're not going to be able to see the foot. Matter of fact, I'm going to obscure that toe. So did anybody notice a lot of rain recently? I have. I heard there's been flooding in other places of the country, like Texas. Praying for those people. You know what? I didn't have to do that. Let's undo what I just did. Undo what I done did. I'll just move that over. close that up. Happy little trees. Happy little bush. Tell you what, I'm going to change the name of the stream to Happy Little Trees. So that's what we're going to be doing practically all stream long. Quite certain that's all we're going to be doing is Happy Little Trees. This over here. Okay, and we're ready for the third layer. Happy little trees. Happy little bush. Bush doesn't have to go anywhere. Bush doesn't have to go to work. Bush doesn't have to worry about making food for his family. He uses photosynthesis in order to do that for himself. Not only that, he takes care of all the other animals that breathe oxygen. That's a good deal, don't you think? Stay there in one place, make all the oxygen for mammals,